Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. The markets are still in a downtrend. However, they have shown potential reversals. I say potential reversals because our stochastics are still heading down. Today, after the Dow sold off very hard down through the 50 and came back up near the top end of the trading range, producing a hammer signal, there's still suspicion of whether there's a reversal. Now, a reversal needs confirmation, which would number one be bullish trading after the hammer signal, and number two, coming up through the T-line. Remember, our trading analysis remains very simple based upon the T-line rule. As long as we don't see a buy signal and a close above the T-line, we still have to assume we're in a downtrend. Same scenario over here on the Nasdaq. Although the trading open lower, traded down and came back up through the open and then closed just about even, stochastics still in a downward direction. Now, this doesn't preclude the possibility of positive trading creating a bounce back up to the T-line, which tomorrow would probably be down in this area. So we want to see whether they can get up through the T-line, or more so in a downtrend, if they open lower and continue to trade down, this selling is still in progress. This allows you to make a decision of if they open positive and start trading positive, short positions that look like they're trying to do reversals, you can cover and then just wait to see what happens when everything hits the T-line. So we will be doing this Saturday what we call a power trade mini spotlight training. Now, logic says if we can find power trades, they have implications. Notice our J-hook pattern starting with a trick kicker type signal. What does the power trades imply? That even if the market in general is still trading lower, the power trade has built up enough investor sentiment or strengthened investor sentiment to continue that uptrend, even though the market is selling off. So here's the candlestick logic. A candlestick sell signal, like a dark cloud closing below the T-line, that's a good trade or a good indication of there's going to be downside. But if you can use candlestick analysis common sense, it says if you can see a strong power trade and you know the markets are heading down, that has a lot more emphasis on the bearish move to go short. So this is just common sense. If we can analyze which direction the market indexes are heading, and we can see strong sell signals that confirm the trend, stochastics heading down, those are extremely high probabilities that not only are you going to be in the right direction, but you're going to be in the right direction with much greater force. So anytime we can see a sell signal like a bearish left-right combo followed by a gap down, that implies there's still going to be a lot of strength to the downside. Also, we can use our analysis, what we call 2+2 analysis. Here's our Dagwood signal. Remember, a McMuffin is a morning star signal followed by a doji sandwich or a morning sandwich. They have double implications. Here's our evening star signal followed by a doji sandwich, or your evening sandwich, the Dagwood. That strongly implies that not only is this a sell signal and the doji sandwich confirming there's going to be more downside, that just adds all that evidence together that trend is going to be heading lower. So again, this is not rocket science. This is just putting information into our analysis that has told us, or the Japanese rice traders anyways, over the last few hundred years, that that is strong selling pressure, or we're using the candlestick signals built from investor sentiment to tell us which direction a price is moving. So right now, we have to assume the downtrend is in progress, but if they show strength tomorrow, at least consider there's going to be a bounce back up to the T line. Then you have to see what it does from there. All this not alert, but prepared analysis allows you to be more attentive as to what a price move is doing on individual stock trades. That'll be it. Join us this Saturday. The mini spotlight series are very inexpensive, and you get a lot of information that you can utilize when you start training your eyes to not only look for a good trade, but which trades have the strongest potential. We'll see you in the chat rooms.